Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel. I'm Sarah. It's so great to have you here. Grab your favorite drink and relax.
And I'm Adam. Today we've got a super relatable topic. Talk about your weekend. How to describe your weekend in English naturally and confidently.
In this episode, you'll learn some simple but powerful expressions, how to say what you did, where you went, who you met, and how you felt.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy this lesson. It really helps us create more great content for you. Ready? Think about the highlight of your weekend, and let's get started.
Hey, Adam. How was your weekend?
Hi, Sarah. My weekend was great, actually. How about yours?
It was nice and relaxing, but tell me about yours first. What did you do?
Well, on Saturday morning, I woke up around 8 a.m. and made myself a big breakfast.
Oh, that sounds like a good start. What did you have?
I had pancakes with honey and bananas, and of course, a big cup of coffee.
Yum! I love pancakes. Did you make them yourself?
Yeah, I did. I tried a new recipe I found online. It turned out pretty good.
That's great. I love experimenting with new recipes on weekends, too.
Me too. After breakfast, I went jogging in the park near my house. The weather was perfect. Sunny, but not too hot.
That sounds lovely. Do you usually jog every weekend?
Not always, but I try to. It helps me feel fresh and energetic.
I wish I had that motivation. I always plan to exercise, but end up sleeping in.
Haha, I used to do that too, but once you start, it actually feels good.
Maybe I'll give it a try next weekend. So, what did you do after jogging?
I met my friend Tom for lunch. We went to a small Italian restaurant downtown.
Oh, nice. What did you eat?
I had spaghetti carbonara, and Tom had lasagna. The food was delicious.
Italian food is always a good choice. Did you guys talk about work?
A little bit, but mostly we just caught up. We hadn't seen each other for a while.
That's nice. It's always good to reconnect with friends.
Yeah, totally. After lunch, we went to see a movie.
Oh, which movie did you watch?
We watched an action movie called Sky Chase. It was full of car chases and explosions. Really fun.
That sounds intense. I prefer romantic comedies, but sometimes action movies are fun too.
Yeah, I like both, depending on my mood.
So, what about Sunday?
Sunday was more relaxing. I stayed at home most of the day.
Ah, a lazy Sunday. The best kind.
Exactly. I did some cleaning in the morning, then watched a few episodes of a documentary series.
Which one?
It's called Planet Earth. It's about wildlife and nature. The filming is amazing.
I've seen that one. The cinematography is beautiful. I love the episode about the ocean.
Same. The underwater shots are incredible.
Definitely. So, after that, did you go out?
Yeah, in the evening, I met my cousin for dinner. We went to a sushi place.
Sushi. That's one of my favorites. Did you have any special rolls?
Yeah, I had the salmon avocado roll, and she ordered tuna sashimi. Everything was super fresh.
Nice. I could eat sushi every day.
Same here. After dinner, we just walked around the city center for a while. It was peaceful.
That sounds like a perfect weekend, Adam. You had fun, relaxed, and spent time with people you like.
Yeah, I guess it was a good balance.
I think that's the best kind of weekend. Some activity and some rest.
Totally agree. What about you, Sarah? What did you do this weekend?
Well, mine was pretty simple. On Saturday morning, I went to the farmer's market with my sister.
Oh, that sounds nice. What did you buy?
We bought fresh vegetables, some fruits, and a loaf of homemade bread.
That sounds healthy. Did you cook something special?
Yes, actually. We made vegetable soup for lunch. It turned out delicious.
I love homemade soup. It's warm and comforting.
Exactly. And after lunch, we went for shopping for a bit. My sister wanted to buy some clothes.
Did you buy anything for yourself?
I wasn't planning to, but I found a nice jacket on sale, so I couldn't resist.
That always happens. You go to help someone shop and end up buying something for yourself.
So true. After shopping, we went for coffee at a small cafe nearby.
Oh, that sounds cozy. Do you have a favorite coffee order?
Yes, I usually get an iced latte. What about you?
I prefer cappuccino, especially when it's freshly made.
Same here. I love the smell of coffee.
Me too. So, what did you do on Sunday?
Sunday was a bit different. I joined a yoga class in the morning.
Oh, nice. Was it your first time?
Not really, but it was my first time going back after a long break. It felt great to stretch and move again.
That's awesome. Yoga is really good for both the body and the mind.
Exactly. After class, I met a friend for brunch. We went to a cafe that serves avocado toast and smoothies.
Sounds trendy.
Yeah, it was very Instagram style, but the food was good.
I'm sure it was. Did you spend the rest of the day out?
No, I went home around 2 p.m. and just relaxed. I read a book for a couple of hours.
That sounds peaceful. What book are you reading now?
It's called The Happiness Project. It's about small things you can do every day to feel happier.
Oh, I've heard of that one. Is it good?
Yes, it's very inspiring. It makes you think about how to enjoy life more.
That's great. I might check it out.
You should. In the evening, I cooked dinner with my sister again. Then we watched a movie together.
What did you watch?
A romantic comedy called Love in Paris. It was light and funny.
Nice. I've seen that one. It's really sweet.
Yeah, it was a perfect way to end the weekend.
I agree. Sounds like you had a really lovely weekend, Sarah.
Thanks. I think both of us did.
You know, Sarah, weekends always go by so fast. It feels like I blink and suddenly it's Monday again.
I know exactly what you mean. 2 days never feel like enough time to rest and do everything we want.
Yeah, it's like Saturday is for errands, Sunday is for relaxing, and then, boom, back to work.
So true. But at least we had a good weekend this time.
Definitely. I think having a mix of activity and rest really helps.
Agreed. I used to spend my weekends doing nothing but watching TV, and by Sunday night, I felt lazy instead of refreshed.
Yeah, same here. That's why I try to do at least one productive thing, like cleaning, cooking, or exercising.
That's smart. For me, going to the yoga class made a big difference. It gave me energy for the week ahead.
That's great. I think I should try yoga someday too.
You totally should. It's not just exercise. It helps clear your mind, too.
I like that. I've been feeling a bit stressed with work lately, so maybe yoga could help me relax.
It definitely would. Or even meditation. Have you tried it?
A few times, but I find it hard to stay still and focus.
I felt the same way at first, but the more you practice, the easier it gets.
Maybe I'll start with just 5 minutes a day.
That's perfect. Small steps are the best way to build new habits.
True. So, what was your favorite moment of the weekend?
I think it was spending time with my sister at the market. We laughed so much while picking fruits and vegetables. It felt simple but meaningful.
That sounds wonderful. I think my favorite moment was the walk after dinner on Sunday. The weather was cool, and the city lights were beautiful.
That sounds peaceful. I love moments like that, when everything feels calm and quiet.
Yeah, it helps me appreciate the little things in life.
Me too. Sometimes we get so busy that we forget to slow down and enjoy small moments.
Exactly. I think that's what weekends are for. Recharging, not rushing.
Well said. Do you usually plan your weekends or do you just go with the flow?
A bit of both. I usually make a short list of things I want to do, but I don't make a strict schedule.
That's the best way, I think. Plans, but with flexibility.
Yeah. What about you?
I used to plan every minute, but now I prefer to keep it simple. If I wake up feeling lazy, I allow myself to rest.
That's a healthy mindset. I think balance is the key.
Absolutely. So, what do you usually avoid doing on weekends?
I try not to check work emails. Once I start, I can't stop thinking about work again.
Same here. I used to do that, and it ruined my weekends. Now I leave my laptop closed until Monday morning.
That's the way to go. We need mental space away from work.
Definitely. So, if you could design your perfect weekend, what would it look like?
Oh, that's a fun question. Let's see. I'd probably start with a slow morning, no alarm clock. Then have breakfast at a nice cafe with good coffee.
Sounds good so far.
After that, maybe go hiking or take a short trip to the countryside. I love being in nature.
Oh, me too. The fresh air, the quiet. It's so peaceful.
Yeah. And then in the evening, have dinner with friends, maybe a movie night after.
That sounds like a dream weekend.
What about you? What's your perfect weekend?
I think mine would be waking up late, having brunch at my favorite cafe, and then spending the afternoon painting or reading.
Oh, I didn't know you like painting.
Yeah, I'm not a professional or anything. It's just a hobby. I find it relaxing.
That's awesome. I wish I had a creative hobby like that.
You do. You design things for work, right? That's creative too.
I guess you're right. But maybe I'll start painting too. It sounds fun.
You should. Maybe next weekend you can try it and tell me how it goes.
Deal. And maybe you can try yoga again and tell me about it too.
Deal. So, do you have any plans for the next weekend?
Not yet, but I was thinking about going on a short trip outside the city, just for a day or two.
That sounds amazing. Where would you go?
Maybe the lake nearby? It's quiet, and there's a small cabin I can rent?
That sounds perfect. You'll get to relax and enjoy nature.
Exactly. What about you? Any weekend plans yet?
Actually, yes. My friend invited me to a barbecue at her house on Saturday.
Oh, fun. Are you going to cook something?
I'll probably make a salad or bring dessert. I'm thinking of making brownies.
Brownies. Nice. You have to save me one.
Sure. If there are any left.
Fair enough. I hope the weather's good for your barbecue.
I hope so too. It's been raining a lot lately.
Yeah, but even if it rains, a cozy indoor party sounds nice too.
True. It's all about the people, not the place.
Exactly.
You know, talking about weekends like this makes me realize how important it is to take breaks.
Totally. Without weekends, we'd all burn out.
Yeah. We work hard during the week, but we also need to rest and recharge.
I agree. Sometimes I used to feel guilty for not doing much on weekends, but now I think rest is part of being productive.
Absolutely. Productivity isn't just about working. It's also about knowing when to stop.
Well said, Sarah.
Thanks, Adam. I think I'm learning to enjoy life more, one weekend at a time.
That's a great attitude. Life's not just weekdays, it's weekends too.
Exactly. So, how about this? We both do something fun next weekend and share our stories again on Monday.
Sounds perfect. I'll bring photos from my trip.
And I'll tell you how the barbecue went. And maybe bring you a brownie if you're lucky.
Deal!
Great. I guess it's time to get back to work now. But this chat really brightened my day.
Same here, Sarah. Talking to you always puts me in a good mood.
Aw, that's sweet. Well, have a great week, Adam.
You too, Sarah. Let's make it a good one. And look forward to the next weekend.
Definitely. Bye for now.
Bye.
Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!